step-by-step guide to book your online arbitration (ADR) hearing. Booking your online arbitration (ADR) hearing is now easy with Indian Dispute Resolution Center. Arbitrators, mediators, and conciliators who are registered with IDRC can reach www.theidrc.com. Now, please click on the Online button on the home page, or you can simply click on the menu bar and find Facilities by clicking on it. Then click on the Bookings. In case you are not registered with IDRC, please register yourself by clicking the corresponding tabs that suits your profession. Please log in by filling your registered email and password. This will take you to your personal dashboard. Now, please click on Book Now at the left column. This will open a booking interface on your screen. Please select Mode of Booking as Online. Now check on Stenographer or VC recording, which is optional and is chargeable on hourly basis excluding the booking amount. Now enter a booking date. Please choose time of your hearing. Please choose hours of your hearing. Now select persons. Please fill the case particulars in the box given below. Now select mode of payment. Now the eADR software will display the booking chart according to IDRC hearing date and the chosen time slot. Proceed to make payment. It will take you to a third-party secure payment gateway. Once payment is successful, you will receive a booking confirmation info and email. In case you have opted offline mode for making payment, the same will be provided once the payment is approved by the admin. You will be sent a video conference link within 3 working hours. The VC link will also be sent to all the parties and their advocates. In case of non-IDRC matter, the link will have to be shared by the person booking the hearing. Indian Dispute Resolution Center, helping good people resolve.